Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a partial bill payment in QuickBooks. This is incredibly useful when you need to pay only a portion of what you owe to a vendor, whether it's to manage cash flow or simply because you've arranged a payment plan with them. To get started, navigate to the Expenses section in your QuickBooks dashboard, then click on Bills. This will take you to where all your vendor bills are managed and tracked. Once you're there, you'll see tabs at the top of the screen. Click on the Unpaid tab to filter and view only your current unpaid bills. This makes it much easier to focus on what actually needs your attention right now rather than sorting through everything. Now that you can see all your unpaid bills, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Pay Bills. This button is your gateway to processing payments for any outstanding vendor invoices. It opens up the payment interface where you can select which bills you want to pay and how much you want to pay on each one. Next, locate the specific bill you want to make a partial payment on. In this case, we're looking for the motorcycle bill. Scroll through your list until you find it. Once you've located it, look over to the payment column next to that bill. Instead of paying the full amount, you can manually enter the partial amount you want to pay. So go ahead and type in 200 USD in that field. This tells QuickBooks you're only paying a portion of the total bill right now, and the remaining balance will stay open for future payment. After entering your partial payment amount, you need to select the payment date. This is the date the payment will be recorded in your books, so make sure it reflects when the payment is actually being made. Just below that, you'll see a drop-down menu to choose your payment account. Select the account you're paying from, such as checking. This ensures the transaction is deducted from the correct bank account in your records. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will process the partial payment, update the bill to show the remaining balance, and record the transaction in your chosen payment account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.